Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 10 to the power of 3 minus x equals 1. So whenever we're solving exponential equations similar to this one, we always want to make sure that our bases here, in this case 10 and 1, we want to make them the same. Because let's just say I have a to the power of x, and this is equal to a to the power of y. Well, we know that these two terms are equal to each other or the same, and we can see that both of them have a base of a. Well, in this case, doesn't that mean that their exponents are the same as well? Because if they're different, then that means this would be wrong. They can't be different because their base is already the same, meaning their exponents have to be the same as well. So in this case, if we were to change the bases so that they're the same, then we would know that the exponents are the same as well, so we could just set the exponents equal to each other and solve for x. So we want to make the bases of 10 and 1 equal each other. Well, that means that we have to change one of the bases. And we can't really change 10 to be equal to 1, so why don't we change 1? Well, 10 to the power of what equals 1? 0, right? Because anything to the power of 0 actually equals 1. So we should change 1 to 10 to the power of 0. And this still equals 10 to the power of 3 minus x. Now notice how these two bases are the same, just like this one. And think of 3 minus x as x and the 0 as y. Because these two bases are the same, then that means that these two exponents are the same as well. So we can just ignore the bases for now and just set 3 minus x equal to 0. And now, as you can see, we've created a simple equation using our method. So now, to get the value of x, we're going to have to make it go to the right side. So we're going to add x on both sides. And these two cancel out, so we're left with 3 equals 0 plus x is x. So now we have our value for x. Now why don't we go ahead and plug it in to our equation. So this gives us 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 equals x. So 3 equals 1. 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 is 0. Equals 1, and remember, anything to the power of 0 equals 1, so 10 to the power of 0 equals 1, so we have 1 equals 1, and this is right, meaning our answer of x equals 3 is right. Back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3 to the power of x equals 243, and our goal is to find the value of x. So whenever we're solving exponential equations like this, we always want to make our bases here, which in this case are 3 and 243, we want to make them the same. Because let's say we have a to the power of x equals a to the power of c, right? Because our bases are same in this case, we know that our exponents are the same as well. So we could just set them equal to each other. We know that x is equal to c. So in this case, if we make our bases the same, then we know that our exponents are the same as well, and then we can find the value of x easily. So we have 3 to the power of x equals 243. So How would we convert one of these numbers to make the other one the same as this one? Well, let's do 243. 243 is equal to 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 5. 243 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 5, because 243 is 3 to the power of 5. Now, our bases are the same, so we know that our exponents here, x and 5, we know that these two are the same as well. So now, we could simply make these two equal each other. So x equals 5. And this is our answer. So it's as simple as that. And we already know that 243 equals 3 to the power of 5, so we don't really need to do any of this. We already see that 3 to the power of 5 equals 243, so we already know that x equals 5. So that's another way.